Hey, it's Trevor here. Hope you're very, very well. Hope you're coping. Hope you and yours are coping with the coronavirus and the lockdown if you're under lockdown. There's been talk of them lifting the lockdown in the UK here, but it's very, very slight, and we're still getting thousands of cases a day and hundreds of people dying every day. So it's an awful thing. And I'd just like to, for a second, just consider all the poor people and their families who have lost their lives to this awful virus. And at the same time, I'd like to say to you, just hang on in there, because things are going to get better eventually. And it might seem like it's taking a hell of a long time, but in reality, we will crack this as a globe. We all come together, and we've got the best minds in the world working on the solution to this awful virus. But in the meantime, life must go on. This is our life. This is the one shot we've got. And in fact, let me get you something. Not seen this for a while. I don't know, you might not even remember seeing this, but this is what happens when you're born. Can you hear that? Now, when you're born, your little timer of life is turned over. And as life goes on, these balls slip through. And that is inevitable. They're gonna run out at some point. Now, I don't mean to be morbid by that. What I mean to bring to your attention on this is the fact that this is our one shot. The clock is ticking and the balls are dropping. And I say balls because if you look closely on this one, it's not sand, they are actually balls. So, we need to act now. Now is the time to, especially now with what's going on, we need to sow the seeds. All right, we need to sow the seeds for the future. We need to take advantage of the situation as it is at the moment, so that when we come out of it at the other end, we're stronger and we're prepared to move forward. We're prepared for success. You can sit at home and you can think that everything is doomed and nothing's going to be like it was before, or you can think, do you know what, this is my time to make a difference and really grab this ball by the horns and ride it all the way. Tony Robbins says that nothing has any meaning other than the meaning that you give it. And I love that, because when you think about what happens in your life and the situations we find ourselves in, it's up to you to decide what that means in there. And you are in control of that. That's the one thing you are in control of, is deciding how you react to what's happening in your life and how you act upon that. So today I've got a really lovely review for you. This is a great product, a fantastic product for anyone, all right? Even me. No, don't say that. Even me. I mean, like, as in newbies or medium-me people, or what, intermediate, or successful internet marketers. Anyone can use this product and get results. Okay, so let me show you what this is. We're on the sales page at the moment, and before I show you, I wanted to bring this to your attention. It seems that there is a lovely little pop-up here that's going to enable you to get $6 off. Well, that's what it's showing at the moment, by coming onto the sales page and then just going to exit. It's an exit pop, and it's giving you $6 off. So make sure you grab that $6 discount as well, because that's definitely worth having. Now, this is called Webbyo, and it's being released by a good friend of mine, Venkata Ramana. This is a really nice piece of software that's going to enable you to tap into these high ticket webinars and get commissions, but with a difference, because we're seeing lots of high ticket at the moment. You might think, oh, come on, Trev, we've just had high ticket. What more high ticket? This is a different high ticket, in as much as it's got done for you webinars that are not actually out there in bulk, right? So these are not the usual webinars that you're going to see. I know the people behind the webinars. I know that this is very good quality content, and that you can make some serious money out of this, which is great. So let's just take a quick look at the sales page. It says newbie friendly cloud software. Yes, it's cloud software. Yes, it is newbie friendly. I'm going to show you that. Done for you webinars turns done for you webinars into 24/7 free traffic and $1,000 commissions in minutes. Now, I've said before, $1,000 commissions, high ticket commissions are amazing, because you can get loads and loads of small commissions, and yes, it does add up. But when you get that big one come in, you're like, oh, thank you very much. That is beautiful. So if you get a chance to get involved in high ticket affiliate commissions, then you should grab that. Now, of course, the biggest problem that we have as newbies is nobody's going to approve you for a high ticket webinar. You know, why would they? Well, in this particular package, you've got a done for you package with a ton of webinars all ready to go that you're guaranteed approval for. You simply email over your details and they'll approve you and you're good to go. So let's take a quick look through the sales page, sales video. It says autopilot traffic in 60 seconds, 10 plus live traffic sources, 100% newbie friendly, 24/7 income, no monthly fees included, done for you, offers pay you $1,000 commissions, double your money back guarantee. Okay. Step 1, log into the software. We're going to do that in a second. Step 2, pick a high ticket offer that's designed to convert and add your affiliate link. Step 3, relax as Webbyo blasts your link to 10 plus live traffic sources and brings you $1,000 commissions on autopilot. And what this software does is it creates a webinar for you that's designed to look like it's, you know, the real deal, without you having to worry about signing up to expensive like EverWebinar and GoToWebinar and packages like that. Just a one-off fee and you're in there. And then you can put your own link on the button and get those commissions. So it's taking care of everything for you because you've got the guaranteed approval, you've got the unique offers, and you've got the software to put it all together, which is why I thought for you, this is going to work really, really well. So we've got sales proof on here and we've got some testimonials. You know, you can come through, you can take a look at the sales page. I think I just want to show you that there are some extras that I wanted to show you here, some bonuses down here. Right, so here are the kind of bullets. You don't need to be on camera, you don't need to be live, you don't even need to have your own videos or webinars, no previous experience, no techie skills, no paid advertising, no monthly fees, no product needed. Literally push a button, 2 things that matter online, unlimited traffic and massive $1,000 commissions. And there's proof shots. Now these proof shots, to be fair, you know, that's somebody else's proof shots. I'm not going to say you can get that kind of money with this, but I think you can definitely earn some decent money with this. All right. So, what about you? But when I was starting out, if I thought I could get a $1,000 commission or a $500 commission, if I got it, I'd be over the moon. So, if you got a couple of those a month, I'm sure that would make all the difference right now. Certainly would to me. So, go through the sales page at your own pace. Let me just say, I'm sure I saw some bonuses down here. It's a long page. Okay, no, maybe I didn't see vendor bonuses on there. I thought, oh, maybe this is it. Oh yeah, that's what it was. Yeah. So here's what you get today. You get the cloud-based software. You get the technology that runs the unlimited attendees webinars. You get automated webinars that let you go live and pre-recorded. You get done for you included webinars and videos. Done for you included high-ticket offers to promote. Copy and paste your link and get paid the commissions. Go live at the same time on Facebook, YouTube, Vimeo, and Dailymotion. Automatically blast your link to dozen more social media sites. Autoresponder and lead generation built in. Email notification system built in. Fully SEO optimized pages and videos, customizable templates for registration, live and replay pages, video editor built in. You can curate and edit any video and go live with it, and you get all of that worth $6,561 for not a lot of money. And it is on a kind of early bird special, so the sooner that you get in, the better. But as you can see, this is pretty cool, and I'm going to show you now inside the members area. So we've got a nice slick members area. I'm just going to refresh to make sure that I am logged in. Yes, I am logged in. I've just done one called 3 Year to promote my 3-year special. And here, if you were going to create a new webinar, this is the screen you'd come to. You type in your name, 3 Year, I put there. It's recorded rather than live, and I've got the time that it's starting. I'm going to play about with that in a second and see what we can do. Duration 1 hour, and I've just put 3 Year, 3 Year. I did put a logo on there, which is here. I'm assuming that's remembered that. And there is my link there. All right. So if we go back over, yeah, not sure if you can see my video now, but looks like my camera's gone wrong. If we come back over to the webinars here, and got the 3 Year here. Here is where you can preview the registration page, etc. And then you will you know, they'll sign up and they'll watch the video. So it takes care of everything that you would normally have to pay a lot of money for. You know, you'd normally have to pay a monthly fee of hundreds of dollars per month for something like this, but you don't. It's just a one-off fee. Okay, so now before we look at the OTOs, let me just show you what my bonuses are. So you're going to get guaranteed approval to promote my 3-year special. Now my 3-year special has never been put on public release before, so nobody's promoting this aside from the few people that I've built website packages for. Nobody's promoting this. You're going to get 50% commissions on a $97 sale, and you can plug this into Webbyo. So this is perfect, all right? And that's an exclusive bonus. You're not going to be able to get this from anyone else. It gives you guaranteed approval to promote a product that's extremely high converting. The reason it's so high converting is because there's just so much that's being given away on my 3-year. I mean, you might want this yourself for $97. If you haven't got it yet, it is an incredible package. For a start, you get my intrinsic masterclass at $297, and you get Commissionlicious at $997. You get Headway at $197, plus Headway's OTO 1, OTO 2, and OTO 3, plus a ton of other stuff here. But the whole package is only $97, so you can see why it sells so well. So you might want to pick that up for yourself as well, so you've got the product and you can show people exactly how good that is if they get any questions. But this is perfect for you because you're going to get guaranteed approval to promote it before anybody else gets their hands on being able to promote this, and that is going to give you commissions of 50%, as I said, on $97. So you're going to get just under $50 per commission there. You're also going to get VidSkippy 2.0. You're going to get Vsauce. You're going to get iStores. You're going to get eCompare. You're going to get the Facebook quiz creator, you're going to get two-step opt-in generator, and you're going to get viral source. Now, there will be even more bonuses added to this document that you're going to see instantly when you grab Webbyo through my link. But to begin with, these are what you're going to get. So as you can see, it's a lovely package. Now for the OTOs, I'm going to take you live through now, and we're going to look at the OTO sales pages. So this is the Pro. And the Pro gives you the chance to take Webbyo to the next level and close triple dollar deals in 60 seconds, it says. So limited discount available. This is what you're going to get in Pro. You get paid webinars. That's right. You can get paid to run a webinar even before you click the Go Live button, and you can even password protect it. You're going to get no restrictions, so you can use your own logo and branding, enjoy developers' rights, and run webinars of unlimited lengths. Autoresponder built in, one-click set up your autoresponder inside Webbyo that lets you mail out customer reminders and affiliate links. Let's see, unlock unlimited everything for pro marketers, value of $997. Run paid webinars, built-in autoresponder, premium support, in-depth analytics, unparalleled price, and that is $36.93 at the moment, which is crazily cheap. Right, done for you. The next OTO. So this says, done for you upgrade automates $238 commissions for you from every visitor you get. And let's get this. Allows take everything from for you, traffic conversions and know-how, one single package. That's why the done for you upgrade is such an incredible game changer. Number one, traffic, fully SEO optimization, mobile friendly, auto sharing, pixels, done for you offers, your own software business, get access to 5 of our best-selling apps with 100% commission so you can promote your own software. Get done for you videos you can stream to get traffic to affiliate offers and be paid like a king. And get done for you reviews you can publish on your site or email to your leads in Webbyo. Include your affiliate link and get massive 100% commissions. Plus training, in-depth case studies. You get traffic built in. Plus you get updates, W money back guarantee. And that one is $46.93 at the moment. The next one is the Reseller.
What would you say?
Okay, so this is sell Webbyo licenses and get 100% commissions. So 100 sales, $36.93, and 1,000, $46.93. Wow, you've got to go for the 1,000. So 1,000 licenses for just $46.93 is super cheap. And finally, we've got the bundle. So the Webbyo bundle.
Imagine if
create webinars in other languages, get #1 rankings, and send unlimited emails with our fantastic software bundle offer. Okay, so this gives you mail clout, which send unlimited emails with the push of a button, your own very own cloud-based autoresponder, one-stop SEO, get #1 rankings for any site, all in one SEO software, and Revoicely, create jaw-dropping webinars in other languages with one click. So this is a bundle of softwares, and you're also going to get VidInc. So they're all valued there at $9.97. You get the whole lot at $39. This is so cheap. These are cheap upsells, I'm telling you. So that's it for the upsells. That is it for Webbyo. And as I said, there are going to be even more bonuses added to this. But the big one for you guys is the guaranteed approval for my 3-year special that has not been publicly released yet. So you will be the only people that can promote that, and you are almost guaranteed to get massive sales because it's brand new to the market, but I've been selling it and I've earned thousands out of it. So, you know, why don't you go and see what you can do with that? Okay, that's it. If you've got any questions, then let me know. In the meantime, I wish you all the very best. Take care. Speak to you soon. Take care, Trevor.